Vegan pancakes for me have always been a weekend treat. I love experimenting with different flours, and spelt flour has become a favorite. It's nutty, wholesome, and adds a depth of flavor that's just perfect for pancakes. For these pancakes, I use a mixture of flaxseed and water as an egg substitute, which binds the batter nicely. I'm also using water, a pinch of salt, and the whole grain spelt flour, which is a game changer. It's high in fiber, protein, and various minerals, making it a nutritious choice for breakfast. The beauty of spelt flour is that it has a slightly sweet, nutty flavor, so you don't need to add much else. To make the pancakes, I'm simply mixing all the ingredients together in a bowl, then heating up a non-stick pan. I let the batter rest for 30 minutes so the ingredients can combine nicely. I'm not using an oil. When the pan is hot, I'm pouring in the batter and waiting for the magic to happen. As the pancakes cook, I can see them starting to bubble and form little holes on the surface. That's when I knew they're ready to flip. It's such a satisfying moment watching them cook and transform into this beautiful fluffy disc. The spelt flour really enhances the flavor of the pancakes, giving them a rich, earthy taste. The pancakes are done and they look amazing. They're light, fluffy, and have this beautiful golden brown color. You can spread vegan chocolate or peanut butter on your pancakes and top them with fresh nuts, fruits, or sprinkle of powdered sugar for a beautiful finish. I'm so happy with how they turned out, and I think you will too if you give them a try. Give the recipe a go and let me know what you think. If you do end up making these pancakes, I'd love to hear about your favorite toppings in the comments below. And if you're looking for more healthy breakfast ideas, be sure to check out my other video. See you next time.